Please don't lie to me.
Just don't lie to me, Ken.
You wouldn't lie to me now, would you?
Why'd you lie to me?
Because I didn't want to tell you the truth. Don't lie to me. I'm the man. I'm the man, Frank.
Don't lie to me, soldier. Don't lie to me.
Honey, I'm a lawyer. People lie to me all the time.
Oh, yeah.
I haven't stolen anything.
Don't lie to me.
I dare you to lie to me.
I don't know what you're talking about.
What?
Do you have any place to stay tonight? Don't you dare lie to me.
My family was burned and crucified while they were still alive.
I knew nothing.
Don't lie to me!
Don't lie to me, okay? I know for a fact you took it to Rome last weekend.
You lying to me. I can always tell when people lie to me.
I ain't lying.
Who did you call? Who did I call? Don't lie to me!
We received a message from the future.
Don't lie to me.
I never have, and I never will.
Sherman, why did you lie to me? Why didn't you say anything?
I didn't think you'd have me.
I really am sorry, Michael. I do have this thing. Call me back.
Don't lie to me, you son of a bitch.
I'm the son of a bitch.
I've known you how long? How long, Jake? Don't you dare lie to me.
Dad, did you love me or not? Daddy, I gotta know. Come on, lie to me and tell me you did. Let me feel like the piece of shit I am. Did you love me or not? Answer me!
God damn it, Mickey. Why did you lie to me? Why did you lie to me?
I didn't.
Why did you lie to me? Why did you lie to me?
I'm not fucking lying. I put it in there.
You just fucking killed me, Nick. You just fucking killed me.